now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
Well, Andrew, in case the folks missed it, it's cold outside.
Yeah, we've now got up to 31 degrees in Tyler after being at 31 degrees, well, since yesterday.
Now the news, the sun rose in the east.
Yeah, so temperatures have not warmed up all that much, and we still have that freezing rain to work with right now. There's been a lot of it from Mount Vernon to Sulphur Springs down to the Emory area and even as far south as Wills Point. This area has been being hit by this wintry precipitation for quite some time now. There's been lightning involved, indicating that there's heavier elements of the rain out there that is falling as freezing rain, but could also have some sleet mixing in as well here. Again, best reports that we can get are ground reports, so if you have any photos that you can send in to us, certainly send them our way. Just make sure that you are doing it safely. Don't get out on the roads just to take pictures, but we are going to continue to see that freezing rain threat down the I-30 corridor to Emory, down to Wills Point. Again, reports of some vehicle accidents, numerous reports of them along Interstate 30, along with falling trees and power lines being knocked down as well. So very significant rainfall there in our northern areas, falling as freezing rain. We also have some showers that are moving through portions of Henderson County, near Gun Barrel City and near Toole as well. So we will continue to track this activity over the next couple of hours here. And then we have some more patchier activity of some showers from Panola County down into Rusk County, northern Nacogdoches County, and into central portions of Cherokee County as well. It's showing up as pink, as indicating freezing rain, but temperatures in Rusk are above freezing at this point in time. In terms of our overall impacts that we can expect through Wednesday, icing on main roads in the dark pink area from Athens to Lindale, parts of Tyler tonight, and then up to Mineola, Quitman, and then Sulphur Springs. Mount Vernon in particular getting hit hard right now with that ice. Icy spots on bridges and overpasses, especially tonight heading into Jacksonville, Longview, Gilmer, and then up to Atlanta as well. And then it's all rain the further south and east you go. So just some wet roads. Still can be slippery, of course, with just rain, but certainly not an ice problem down into deep East Texas. Again, road temperatures look like this. The road temperature is at 30 in Tyler, so if it rains again, it is freezing on contact with the road. 32, the road temperature in Mineola. And that road temperature is 27 in Sulphur Springs, indicating some very cold air. Here's what Futurecast has going forward. By 3 o'clock in the afternoon, Futurecast ramps up the activity once again for the I-20 corridor. Certainly a possibility, but at this point in time, we haven't really seen that happen just yet. The heaviest of the precipitation has stayed north and west of the city of Tyler and Jacksonville. But as we head into tonight, we should drop below freezing for many more of us. Even down to Longview and Henderson could drop below freezing. And then when we see more rain move in overnight tonight, that is when we're going to have the biggest problems, most likely for your Wednesday morning commute along the Interstate 20 corridor. Even though Futurecast does not have too much activity from all the rain that we will see tonight into early Wednesday morning, certainly will cause some icy conditions along Interstate 20 heading into the day on Wednesday. But by Wednesday afternoon, the temperatures finally start to warm up a little bit, and it starts to transition to all rain by Wednesday evening, and that'll be the case through Wednesday night and into the day on Thursday. Thursday is going to be just a cold and wet day. So again, to recap, areas to the west and northwest will see the most significant icing as we head over the next couple of days here. It's mostly rain to the southeast of Tyler and Longview. Again, for Tyler, we will see that freezing rain potential through the rest of today, tonight, into tomorrow. For Longview, the freezing rain threat starts tonight, and then everything transitions over to rain by the middle part of the day on Wednesday. Here's a look at your forecast for today. We are going to climb into those low to mid 30s with that freezing rain potential out there still with us. And then tonight, the chance for freezing rain will increase as the freezing line dips further to the south to include Jacksonville, potentially as far south as Henderson. Your 7-day forecast looks like this. We change over to that plain rain late Wednesday and into the day on Thursday. It's all rain. We'll dry out heading into the weekend, and we'll also warm things up. Highs back into the 60s by Sunday. And then for deep East Texas, it is more of the same, just plain rain though for the next couple of days. And then we will see the dry conditions for the weekend with those warming temperatures.